there, friends and fellow crafters, it's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. So, today I am doing a technique using shaving cream, of all things. You have to use the one that's going to foam, not the gel. Shake up your can, spray it on a paper plate, plastic plate, foam plate, plate out of your kitchen, whatever you want. Then I'm using re-inkers. Today I'm using Dandelion, and just put a few drops all over. I'm also going to use Cantaloupe, and let's see, what else am I using? I'm going to use Ruby Red Delicata. The first two were Memento, and this is a Ruby Red Delicata. And then the Golden Glitz for the Delicata line. So, as you can see, I'm just putting a few drops here, there, and everywhere. Just dropping them around. And then I am going to take a skewer. You know, like you would use for kebabs or roasting marshmallows, whatever. And just swirl it through. Just as you can see I'm doing. And just make sure that the colors are spread throughout the whole thing. And I love this technique. I will admit, I saw GinaK's video. She did it. I had to do it. So now I'm taking my piece of cardstock. This is just regular cardstock, 110 pound. My panel is a 3 3/4 inch by 4 inch. No. Yes, 3 3/4 by 5. Sorry. And now I'm picked that up out of there. And I'm using the squeegee to just swipe all that shaving cream right off of my card panel. And there we go. Now I'm going to set, I love the shine from that Golden Glitz. Oh my goodness. If you could see this in person, it is amazing. So I'm going to put that aside, clean up my little mess here the best I can. And what am I going to do? I'm turning around, pulling out my Misty. So I'm going to use the mini Misty, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment straight onto this panel. And so I'm using a Joy Claire stamp set called Fall Leaves. I'm taking the sentiment out of that. The sentiment says, "Wishing you blessings this season." And I am stamping that out with VersaFine Claire in Pine Cone. I don't get the Pine Cone out that often. I really should. But I thought the brown would go really good with these fall colors to really bring that out. So wishing you blessings this season. And now I'm going to set that aside to let that sentiment dry. My card panel's already dry, by the way. I'm going to use my StazOn all-purpose cleaner in the dauber form to clean off my stamp and clean off my Misty. Use a microfiber cloth to dry it off. And now I can put my stamp away. Or I'll put my Misty away. And there we go. So now I'm going to use my Tear It tape. And I'm going to go ahead and take the panel off. Actually, take the Tear It tape off. This black panel is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. So that I have a slight margin around, slight framing around my panel. My cardstock that I just scored, that is 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2 to make an A2 size top folding card base. Everything I'm using today will be linked in the description box below. Make sure that you hit that bell up there if you're not and subscribe if you're not already to the YouTube channel. So now I have my black panel down, and I'm going to put my main panel down. And with that, my project is complete. Thank you for watching Imagine Crafts, and have a crafty day. Bye.